Hello everybody, SF Senpu here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat app. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Snapchat app and then go to the profile section in the top left side, and then you can see an option that setting in the top right side, so click on that. After that you will see lots of options. Just scroll down and then you will see an option that I spotted a bug in the feedback section, so click on that. After that scroll down and you can see option that setting. Just after that type I need dark mode, and then you can see choose topic option. Just click on that and click to the accessibility option in the top side. Just click on that and click to the send option. So after a few minutes or in several hours, your Snapchat will be dark mode option in the settings option. This helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.